close up of the little guys. It's kind of scaring them a little bit. They're backing away from the camera. Uh-oh, here comes the mother. She's concerned about what I'm doing. Go ahead, get up there. Alright, that's enough playing around. I got to get back to work. I'll never get this thing done. So let me get some work done on this, and then I'll come back and show you where I'm at. Hey guys, Bruce here with Wanna Be Free on this Northern Tools trailer to DIY overland trailer. I'm going to give you this is a test run video just to see how the thing rides behind the van. We're going to go about 60 miles, get an ice cream cone, and we're going to drag the trailer along for the ride. So I'll do a video a little bit later. It's not quite complete. I still got a few loose ends to wrap up on it. A little bit of wiring to complete. But I'm going to give you a preview and let you see the outside, and then we'll see how it pulls. So here it is hooked up to the van, and you get a pretty good look at the outside. Solar panels on top, got the back end, license plate, all that good stuff. And that's what it looks like hooked up. It's tiny. I think the whole trailer without gear inside weighs about 300 pounds. That's my nearest guesstimate. So we're gonna hop in and give it a pull down the road, check temperatures and tires and all that stuff, and we'll see how it goes. Well, it's pulling it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it out the back window or not. I'm just pointing the camera hoping that you can. I cannot see the trailer at all out of either one of my side mirrors because it's so close to the back of the van. We're doing 60 right now. I'm actually speeding. It's supposed to be 55. So far I can't even tell it's back there, but I do have a good view of it in the rearview mirror, so I can see if it's bouncing or if I get a flat tire or something. Hopefully I can see that it's leaning one way or the other. But for the first couple of miles so far, pretty good, I think. We have pretty much everything in the trailer except for the refrigerator is not loaded with food, and we don't have any clothes or anything. But we got the containers, the chairs, batteries, solar, and the refrigerators all inside the trailer. So it probably won't be more than 100 pounds or so heavier than what it is right now. Maybe a couple hundred. Alright, we're gonna hop out here and check and see how we're doing. That's the rattling we're hearing. I got a thing that goes on here that keeps it from doing that. It's not hurting anything, it's just rattling. The axle is, the hub's kind of warm. I think it's okay.
I want ice here.
Any trouble or?
No, we're okay, thank you. We're just taking it out.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure you weren't broke down.
No, we appreciate
Thank
that.
you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ciao. guy stopped stopped to see if we're okay. He just pulled right across the road here and
Iowa nice.
yeah. See if everything is rattling around inside here. I think we're pretty good, huh? So far? All right. Back down the road, get that ice cream. So I'm gonna ride in the back here for just a little bit so I can get some video of the trailer out the back windows, I hope. I just really want to kind of watch it. You can really hear that hitch rattle because we're right up above it here and it just echoes through this metal floor. But that's okay. See how much it bounces just on a regular highway. What are we doing, about 55 or 60?
Yeah, 57.
Pretty good bump there. Sure is following us close. We made it here. Here's another view of what it looks like. Where you going, bud? So far, everything's good. Except for that rattle. That's pretty annoying, but we're going to Misty's Malt Shop. It's pretty cool. They have a outdoor window in a nice city park right here I'm standing in. We've been down here and done videos before. There is the Des Moines River, goes underneath that bridge. Nice little park. Is it any good?
Mm-hmm. It's the best. I like ice cream.
$1 plus tax.
$1 with tax.
$1 with tax. That's pretty good.
There's really good ice cream too.
It's ice cream.
It's really good.
Got the twist. I've eaten about half of it. It was about twice that tall. Well, almost.
And this is the small.
But this is the view we get while we eat our ice cream. These are smalls. It's the mighty Des Moines River. Pretty good sized river.
Oh, stop it.
Tell us about it, buddy. Yeah, we'll go for a walk in a minute.
So restless all the time.
Yeah, he doesn't like to sit still. He wants to always be moving. If you stop, he starts getting
Whiny.
out of control. All right, we're going to enjoy the rest of our ice cream and then get ready to load up and head back after we walk Rugadoo. Well, we made it back home and it seems to have survived its first trip. We took it about 25 miles each way, so about 50 miles total. And nothing got really hot, nothing blew up or burned up. We did about 55 miles per hour the whole way, the posted speed limit. Took it up to 60 a couple of times. But at least now I know that the van can pull it. And for the most part, you really couldn't tell it was back there, other than all the noise that the hitch makes. But I got a remedy for that. So on the next video, guys, I'm going to give you a full tour of the whole thing inside and out, how it came out, and little additions that I made here and there. I still have a few things I need to go back to the hardware store one more time, get a couple parts. But we're just about there, and I'm getting pretty excited to take it on a real-time big road trip. Still kind of nervous about those tires and wheels. There are a lot of you have shown me concern about that in the comments, and I have concern about it too. Believe me, the last thing I want to do with this trailer is be unsafe. I want to be as safe as we can possibly be, but I think the setup's going to work. We'll just take it easy and keep checking everything, and carry a spare, of course, just in case we get a blowout. If we manage to keep it on the road if something blows out. But anyway, I hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend, or rest of your week. I guess you'll see this probably on Sunday morning or something like that, which is tomorrow morning for us here. And looking forward to giving you guys the grand tour of the trailer and how it all came out and how it's going to work for us. Until then, we'll see you on the next one.